Fourth video here, and now I'm going to show you we've downloaded ANKI, we've created our first flashcards, we've uploaded and shared them to the world, and now we're able to, the rest of our cohort's able to share them, download them and study them on their record. And now I'm going to show you actually how to submit your ANKI completion week in and week out. So I mentioned a little bit before, as a cohort you're going to be making every 2 weeks a brand new deck, okay? But every week, okay, so not every other week, but every week on Sunday night at 11:59 p.m., okay, you will have had to submit your ANKI completion for that week, okay? I require 6 out of 7 days of ANKI, I require every day of ANKI completion, not 6 out of 7, every single day of ANKI completion. Okay, and part of that is me needing to see your consistency. So this is what we talked about even as we're working through learning how to learn a language. You're going to be rewarded and actually graded for your consistency. Okay, so once again, what that looks like is you're going to submit a screenshot of your progress onto Canvas, okay, onto Canvas of how you did with ANKI for that week. Okay, so once again, every other week, every 2 weeks, right? You'll at Sunday at 11:59 p.m. You will have made a new deck with your cohort, but every week, Sunday at 11:59 p.m., you will have submitted on Canvas, not on Canvas, your ANKI completion for the week. So there will be some weekends where you submit both the deck onto ANKI Web and you submit your screenshot of your ANKI completion onto Canvas. There'll be some weeks where you just submit your ANKI completion onto Canvas. Okay, so I'm going to show you actually how to do that. Okay, so let's just go real quick. We're going to pull up Canvas onto onto our computer. Don't steal my password or I'll eat you. Okay. Boom. Your Canvas, my Canvas looks a little bit different than from you, but since you're going to come into your languages, let's say for example, let's go to Malagasy here. Okay. So let's pull up Malagasy. Boom. What'll end up happening is you'll see assignments pop up and come up. And it'll be in the assignments tab, or it'll say it's like coming up, and it'll say like ANKI upload 1, ANKI upload 2, ANKI upload 3. Okay, and so with all of those, you would just simply go in, set yourself up, and this looks different than yours, but it'll give you an option to upload a file or upload a piece of text. Okay, so it's gonna say a text entry or a file upload, and you're gonna be uploading that file. So I'm gonna show you how to do that real quick. So real quick, I'm gonna come back into ANKI, okay? And let's say, for example, I'm going based on complete Urdu 12 through 17, okay? And I'm gonna click on that, okay? And I'm gonna come into the stats about that, okay? So this is the large history of how I've gone with these flashcards. Okay, so you can see the backlog of days and things like that. In the last 12 months, this is what it's looked like for me studying this deck. Okay, card count. This isn't actually a good deck to follow because it shows that I'm mature with 100% of these cards, and it shows just a lot of different data and things like that. But this is kind of what I'm showing you as we work through. So let's actually choose a deck that I'm actually learning right now. So let's go to Urdu Pod 101. I'm learning Urdu Pod 101. Let's go to the stats of that real quick. Okay. So you notice that I haven't in no way gotten through all of these. There's 5,000 cards. I just started this deck and it's, going along. So that's probably not a good idea either. Let's see. I'm sorry, guys. Let me pick a good one. Let's go. This is a good one. Teach yourself Hindi chapter tagged. Okay, go to stats. Yeah, there we go. So 2,000 flashcards on here are mature for me. 700 of them are like young. I'm like continuing to learn them, and I still have 5,000 that are still new that I still need to see. Okay, that's not what I want you to submit though. What I would like you to be submitting, okay, Honestly, the easiest way to go about doing this is to just press Save PDF and do the whole thing. But what I'm looking for is something that shows me if you've studied it every single day this week. So, like if I studied this particular deck every single day, it would be lined up all the way across 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this would be a good one, the one that says reviews, okay? Or another one would be, actually, that's probably the best one, is this one, reviews, okay? So what I would do, if I wanted to take a screenshot, I'd go Command-Shift-4 or whatever it is on your um, actual, on your HP or PC. You could do that, or honestly, you could just press Save PDF and save it to your desktop. ANKI stats 2020 915, boom, 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 and save that to your desktop or something that you could drag and drop later. Okay. ANKI would like to access. Yep, I'm gonna let him do that, and then I'm gonna save it. Okay. So if I was to come to my desktop now, it's right there. There's my ANKI stats for that day. Okay. So now if I come back in to ANKI to Canvas to submit your assignment, all you simply do is drag and drop wherever you would need to drag and drop it, and then we'd be on with it. Okay. So that is the basics of submitting your ANKI flashcards. Okay. Now there's going to be some caveats that I'm going to make in the next video coming up, just on how to be careful, or some little miscellaneous things about ANKI itself. But that is the basics of how to set it up week to week, submit week to week on Canvas your ANKI progress. Okay.